In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to retrieve deleted messages in Microsoft Teams. To begin, your first essential step is to navigate to the specific conversation where the message you've recently deleted, or intend to delete for demonstration purposes, was originally posted. This applies whether it's a direct one-on-one chat with a colleague, an active group discussion, or a dedicated channel within your broader team workspace. Simply open Microsoft Teams, either through your desktop application or by accessing the web version in your browser. Then use the intuitive left-hand navigation pane to locate and click on the relevant chat or channel. It's crucial to confirm you are in the correct conversation because the opportunity to undo a deleted message is highly localized and time-sensitive, appearing only within the immediate context of that particular chat. Ensure the conversation window is fully active and displayed on your screen, ready for you to proceed. Once you are in the correct conversation, the next step involves demonstrating the deletion process itself, which is vital to understand how the retrieval mechanism works. Locate a message that you or someone else has sent within that chat. To delete a message, simply hover your mouse cursor over it. You'll notice a small toolbar appear, typically near the top right corner of the message bubble. Within this toolbar, you'll see several options, including a More Options ellipsis icon, represented by 3 dots. Click on these 3 dots, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select the Delete option. Upon clicking Delete, the message will immediately disappear from the conversation thread, and its previous content will be replaced by a small notification indicating that the message has been deleted, often accompanied by an undo prompt. This action sets the stage for our retrieval process. Immediately after you delete a message, a small but incredibly important undo notification will briefly appear within the conversation window. This notification is your golden ticket to retrieving the deleted message. It typically appears right where the message used to be, or sometimes as a subtle banner at the bottom of the chat interface, clearly stating Message Deleted, Undo. The key here is its temporary nature. This undo option is only available for a very short period, usually just a few seconds. If you miss this window, the message will be permanently removed from your view, and the undo option will vanish. Therefore, as soon as you delete a message, or realize you've accidentally deleted one, quickly direct your attention to this prompt. Your prompt action in the next step is absolutely critical to successfully recovering your message. Now for the final and most satisfying step, click on the Undo button within that brief notification. As soon as you click Undo, you will instantly see your previously deleted message reappear in its original position within the conversation thread, exactly as it was before it was deleted. All its content, formatting, and any attachments will be fully restored. This simple click effectively reverses the deletion action, making the message visible to everyone in the conversation again, assuming they had permission to see it initially. This undo feature is incredibly useful for those moments of accidental deletion, or when you simply change your mind right after hitting delete. Remember, this retrieval method specifically targets messages that were just deleted, leveraging Teams' built-in grace period. It's a quick and efficient way to bring back content without any complex procedures.